Hub by Holo is an app designed to help real estate agents in Dubai grow their business. Hub enables you to refer your buyers to Holo for their financing needs, gives you visibility on where your buyers are at in the mortgage process, and gives you access to Holo's exclusive direct buyers. Let's get started. First, tell us if you're registering as one of our agency partners or as an individual agent. Next, find your brokerage from the drop-down menu. If it's not there, we'll redirect you to register as an individual. Fill out your details. You'll need your BRN and a copy of your broker's license, so we can ensure we're working with registered and reputable agents. Give us a bit more information, like which areas you specialize in, to get a more personalized experience within the app, and hit submit. You'll receive an OTP to your registered email address. Enter the code. Now set your password and you're good to go. Hub by Holo earns you more money and grows your business. Best of all, it's free. Download the app or head to hub.useholo.com to get started.